The 21st century has witnessed a seismic shift in the global automotive landscape. The rise of electric vehicles, or EVs, has been nothing short of revolutionary, transforming how we think about transportation and energy consumption. China, once a laggard in traditional car manufacturing, has emerged as a powerhouse in the electric vehicle industry. This transformation didn't happen overnight. It is the result of years of strategic planning, investment, and innovation. Driven by government support, massive investments, and a burgeoning domestic market, China now leads the world in EV production and sales. The Chinese government has played a pivotal role, offering subsidies and incentives to both manufacturers and consumers, making EVs more accessible and affordable. This dominance has not gone unnoticed. Analysts and industry experts around the globe are closely monitoring China's progress, recognizing the country's potential to shape the future of the automotive industry. Countries around the globe are eyeing China's EV prowess with a mix of admiration and apprehension. European nations in particular are keen to learn from China's success, while also striving to develop their own EV capabilities. The UK, facing its own set of challenges in transitioning to a greener economy, has taken a bold step by forging a new trade deal with China. This agreement is not just about trade, it's about collaboration, innovation, and the shared goal of a sustainable future. This agreement, with a particular focus on EVs, has the potential to reshape the automotive industry on both sides. It opens up new opportunities for technological exchange, joint ventures, and market expansion. It marks a new chapter in the evolving relationship between the two countries, one with significant economic and geopolitical implications. The collaboration could lead to advancements in battery technology, charging infrastructure, and even the development of new EV models tailored to different markets. This trade deal, however, is not without its critics. Some argue that it could lead to an over-reliance on Chinese technology and expertise, potentially stifling local innovation and manufacturing. Concerns about China's growing influence, the impact on local manufacturing, and the environmental sustainability of EV production are just some of the issues that have fueled debate. Critics also point out that while EVs are cleaner than traditional vehicles, their production and disposal still pose environmental challenges. As the world watches, the success or failure of this agreement will have far-reaching consequences. It could set a precedent for future international collaborations in the EV sector and influence global policies on green technology and sustainable development. It could very well determine the future of the global EV market and set the stage for a new era of international collaboration on green technology. The stakes are high, and the world is watching closely to see how this partnership unfolds and what it means for the future of transportation and the environment.
The UK-China trade deal, signed in late 2024, aims to foster closer economic ties between the two nations. The deal focuses on several key areas, including technology, finance, and importantly, the automotive sector. For China, the deal represents an opportunity to further expand its influence in the global EV market. For the UK, it presents a chance to accelerate its own transition to electric mobility.
A cornerstone of the agreement is the reduction of tariffs on Chinese-made EVs entering the UK market. This is designed to make Chinese EVs more affordable for British consumers, boosting their adoption. The deal also encourages joint ventures between British and Chinese companies in areas like battery technology and EV manufacturing. This collaboration aims to facilitate knowledge transfer and develop a more robust EV ecosystem in the UK. The potential benefits of the deal are significant. For China, it provides access to a new market for its burgeoning EV industry. For the UK, it offers the prospect of cheaper EVs, job creation, and a boost to its green credentials. However, the deal also raises a number of concerns. Some critics question whether it will truly benefit both sides equally, or if it will simply serve to bolster China's already dominant position in the EV market.
The UK-China trade deal presents a golden opportunity for China's rapidly expanding EV industry. This agreement is set to reshape the landscape of the electric vehicle market, providing a significant boost to Chinese manufacturers who are eager to expand their footprint globally. The deal is not just a simple trade agreement. It is a strategic move that aligns with China's broader goals of becoming a global leader in electric vehicle technology and sustainable transportation. It provides Chinese EV manufacturers with a direct pathway to a major market outside of their domestic market. The UK, with its strong emphasis on reducing carbon emissions and promoting green energy, represents a lucrative opportunity for Chinese companies. By entering the UK market, Chinese EV manufacturers can tap into a consumer base that is increasingly looking for eco-friendly and cost-effective transportation options. This is particularly significant given the UK's ambitious targets for phasing out gasoline and diesel vehicles in the coming years. The UK government has set a clear timeline to eliminate the sale of new petrol and diesel cars by 2030, which creates a pressing demand for electric vehicles. Chinese EV manufacturers are well positioned to meet this demand with their advanced technology and competitive pricing. The lowered tariffs will make Chinese EVs more competitive, potentially giving them a significant edge over their European and American rivals. This competitive advantage is crucial as it allows Chinese companies to offer high-quality electric vehicles at more affordable prices, making them an attractive option for UK consumers. The reduction in tariffs also means that Chinese manufacturers can invest more in marketing and after-sales services, further enhancing their appeal.
Beyond just selling cars, the deal opens doors for Chinese companies to establish a stronger foothold in the UK's developing EV ecosystem. This includes setting up research and development centers, manufacturing plants, and service centers. By doing so, Chinese companies can ensure that they are not just selling products but are also contributing to the local economy and creating jobs. Joint ventures and partnerships with British firms will facilitate the transfer of technology and expertise. These collaborations are mutually beneficial, as they allow British companies to leverage Chinese advancements in EV technology while providing Chinese firms with insights into the preferences and requirements of the UK market. Such partnerships can lead to the development of new, innovative products that cater specifically to the needs of UK consumers. This will allow Chinese companies to further refine their products and adapt them to the specific needs of the European market. By understanding the unique challenges and opportunities in the UK, Chinese manufacturers can tailor their vehicles to meet local standards and consumer expectations. This adaptability is key to gaining a competitive edge and ensuring long-term success in the market. This, in turn, will make them even more competitive on the global stage. As Chinese EV manufacturers continue to innovate and improve their products, they will be better positioned to compete with established brands from Europe and the United States. The global automotive industry is highly competitive, and the ability to offer cutting-edge technology at competitive prices will be a significant advantage for Chinese companies. Major Chinese EV players like BYD, NIO, and XPeng are well positioned to capitalize on this opportunity. These companies have already established a strong presence in the global market and have a reputation for producing high-quality electric vehicles. The UK-China trade deal will provide them with the support they need to expand their operations and increase their market share. These companies have already made significant inroads in the European market with their innovative and competitively priced EVs. Their success in Europe serves as a testament to the quality and appeal of Chinese electric vehicles. With the new trade deal, these companies can further strengthen their position and continue to grow their customer base. The UK trade deal will only serve to accelerate their growth and solidify their position as major players in the global automotive industry. This agreement is a significant milestone for Chinese EV manufacturers as it opens up new opportunities for expansion and collaboration. By leveraging the benefits of the trade deal, Chinese companies can achieve greater success and contribute to the global transition to sustainable transportation. This deal is not just about economic gain, it's about China showcasing its technological prowess and ambition to lead the world in the transition to a sustainable transportation future. By entering the UK market and forming strategic partnerships, Chinese EV manufacturers are demonstrating their commitment to innovation and sustainability. This move aligns with China's broader goals of reducing carbon emissions and promoting green energy, positioning the country as a leader in the global effort to combat climate change.
The influx of Chinese EVs is expected to significantly impact the UK car market. This development is not just a minor shift, but a potential game changer for the industry. Chinese electric vehicles, known for their affordability and advanced technology, are poised to capture a significant share of the market. Lower prices, driven by reduced tariffs, have the potential to make EVs accessible to a wider range of consumers. This affordability could democratize electric vehicle ownership, allowing more people to make the switch from traditional petrol and diesel cars to cleaner, greener alternatives. This could accelerate the adoption of EVs in the UK, contributing to the country's efforts to reduce carbon emissions and improve air quality. The increased presence of EVs on the roads will necessitate the expansion of charging infrastructure, creating a more robust network that benefits all EV users. Moreover, the deal promises to create new job opportunities in areas like EV assembly, battery production, and charging infrastructure development. These new jobs could revitalize local economies and provide a much-needed boost to the manufacturing sector.
However, the deal also presents challenges for the UK's domestic automotive industry. The influx of Chinese EVs means that British car manufacturers will need to step up their game to remain competitive. British car manufacturers, still grappling with the transition to electric mobility, face the prospect of increased competition from well-established Chinese rivals. These rivals have already made significant advancements in EV technology and production efficiency. This competition could potentially threaten jobs and investment in the UK's traditional car manufacturing sector. The pressure to innovate and reduce costs will be immense, and companies that fail to adapt may find themselves struggling to survive. The government will need to implement policies that support the transition and ensure that British workers and businesses are not left behind. This could include subsidies for EV production, investment in training programs, and incentives for research and development. The success of the trade deal hinges on the UK's ability to adapt and innovate. Embracing new technologies and fostering a culture of continuous improvement will be key to staying ahead in the global EV market. Investing in research and development, fostering a skilled workforce, and creating a supportive regulatory environment will be crucial for the UK to remain competitive in this rapidly evolving market. Collaboration between industry, academia, and government will be essential to drive innovation and ensure long-term success. The challenge for the UK is not to fear competition, but to embrace it as a catalyst for innovation and growth in the burgeoning EV sector. By leveraging its strengths and addressing its weaknesses, the UK can position itself as a leader in the global transition to electric mobility.